Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BabyFlokita token. Now this token is just about to start their pre-sale on PRESALE.finance. It'll actually be started by the time I upload this video. I am going to leave a link to the pre-sale down there in the description box and in the comment section down there, so you guys can easily find this pre-sale. Now, the Flokita token did very well. That's why we have a BabyFlokita coming out, and that's how it works in the crypto world. If a token does well, a meme token does well, all of a sudden we got babies, minis, papas, mamas, you name it, CEOs. They all come out afterwards. So I believe there was a Flokita token on BNB and Ethereum. I'm pretty sure they both did okay. I can't remember which one did better. But yes, now we have BabyFlokita on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a BEP20 token. This is a public pre-sale that just started. There's no hard cap, but the pre-sale only goes for a little bit over a day or so. So actually it looks like about a two-day, 6-hour pre-sale. So you got a decent amount of time to go check it out. They do have a full audit. We're going to go over the information on the BabyFlokita token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the BabyFlokita token. So on their webpage, BabyFlokita.com, they have roadmap, tokenomic information, info, link to their Twitter, their Telegram, and a PooCoin chart for when the token goes live on PancakeSwap. You'll be able to see a chart on their webpage or a link on their webpage to go see the chart on PooCoin. Contract address is on their webpage. It says BabyFlokita is a meme coin project built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20 token that aims to create a fun and engaging community centered around memes and cryptocurrency. Our mission is to provide a platform for meme enthusiasts to connect, share, and participate in meme-related activities while also exploring the potential of blockchain technology. So their roadmap here, Phase 1, website creation V1, contract creation, launching on the Binance Smart Chain, building a community, initial marketing campaign, Phase 2, 1,500 to 2,000 holders, listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, massive shilling, and then Phase 3, more partnerships, 5,000 to 10,000 holders, and central exchange listing. So you can see that this is very much just a meme token. Basically, the big milestones in their roadmap is just going to be listings on central exchanges and whatnot, and marketing. Now, the tokens, how they are allocated here, 90% of the tokens will go to pre-sale liquidity. 10% is going to go to central exchange listings. It says there is a total supply of 100,069,000,000 tokens. So this token here is just starting their pre-sale right now on PRESALE.finance. Pre-sale started exactly March 17th at 15 hours UTC time. So basically, if you are looking to get this token, you can get it now off PRESALE. I am going to leave a link to the pre-sale down there in the comment section and in the description box. Initial market cap estimate is $736. Soft cap is only 1 BNB, and there's no hard cap for this pre-sale, so it's just going to continue until time runs out. Public pre-sale, you don't need to be on a whitelist. BabyFlokita is the name of the token, also the ticker symbol. 9 decimal places on this token. And the pre-sale will end exactly March 19th at 21 hours UTC time. So it's 2 days, 6 hours, no hard cap. So it'll just basically run the whole time. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. And you get notified right away when I upload videos on new tokens if you hit that bell. Second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, BabyFlokita.com. You are going to have to set your slippage around 3% because it does say 3% taxes on their webpage. So that would be for buys, sells, and maybe transfers. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 30 days. Now, 30 days is not the longest amount of time. So hopefully they do get an extension on that lock, or they extend the liquidity lock. And if you follow their Twitter and their Telegram, they hopefully will announce things like that in the future. There's buyback info on PinkSale that you can check out as well. 9 decimal places on this token. So they were audited by CoinSalt, and you can review the full PDF of that audit on PinkSale. It says, now is her time, BabyFlokita, daughter of Flokita, that did more than 30 times, a girlfriend of Elon Musk's legendary meme dog, Floki, that got listed on Binance, so just bragging about Floki now. A merger of major marketing teams. Now the focus will be on BabyFlokita. Have a great experience. Looks like they're going to be trending with KOLs, DexView, DexTools, Aave. They're going to have promotion contests on Twitter and Telegram. Central exchange listings, no team tokens, no private sale. So they do have a Telegram at baby_Flokita BSC that has 2,529 members. 192 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion, learn more about the project. In the corner of the screen there, as usual, I am going to leave their Twitter, which is at BabyFlokita BSC. 3,182 followers, and they just joined in February 2024. So a decent following in a short amount of time. 11 tweets so far. Go check this out. Links will be down below to the pre-sale. You'll be able to find it easily if you just look in the comment section and description box and check out all the referral codes down there as well. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.